Today we're gonna review the SmallRig NP-FW50 camera charger and the battery. So let's open the box. And here are some more specs if you wanna take a look. Right here in the video. So how do you open this box? From here we got some nice foam cushion right here, and we get the manual, the cover. Here is the charger itself, and it's super nice that the cable has its own spot in here, and that it has a USB Type-C output. Let me see, is this the output or input? It's probably another input if you have a USB Type-C cable, because the output should be only through here to charge the batteries in these spots. So we have one battery here, and here is the second one. Let's go ahead and review this. Supposedly the battery goes in here like this, and we get some let me see if I can turn off the lights if you can see anything. There you go, it blinked. It's saying how much charge it has. Let me take it out and put it in again. So it has 7.58 volts, and it doesn't say how much. Let's go for the second one. Same thing, 7.58 volts. Let's test one of my older batteries. Oops. Uh, 7.51. It's a little bit lower. And one of these Vivitar batteries, 7.60. Yeah, even lower. Let me see if I can turn the light back on. Right here, SmallRig logo. And we will go ahead and put this to charge, see what shows us. So here is the view of the display charging the batteries. We get these lines around the charge icon, which display the charge percentage. Every line will be about 25%. So when it's full, there will be 4 lines on the channel 1 for the first battery and on the channel 2 for the second battery. Also, we get some information on the right display, such as the charging current, battery voltage, and the battery capacity in milliamp hours. So we're gonna test these two SmallRig batteries against the original Sony battery that is brand new, against a older Sony battery, and against a couple of older off-brand batteries like the Vivitar and the other one that doesn't have a name. We'll let them stay for a couple of weeks on the shelf, and we're gonna come back and test how good they are. Okay, so for me it's gonna take a couple of weeks, but for you it's gonna be just that. After I charged all of these batteries to 100%, I let them stay for about 3 weeks, and then we checked back again. The Sony, the new battery, was still at 100%, and it lasted 2 hours, 45 minutes and 35 seconds recording. The old Sony battery, that's about 7 years old, also held 100%, and it lasted 2 hours, 90 minutes and 15 seconds. Not bad for an old battery. Next one is a brand new SmallRig battery, the one that came with this charger, and it lasted 2 hours, 42 minutes and 9 seconds, and it was showing 99%, but it's very comparable with a new Sony battery. Then we have 2 old batteries. This one doesn't have a name, it just says lithium ion on it, and it's not so good because it lasted only 1 hour 56 minutes and 59 seconds, and it was showing 90% after 3 weeks. The last one was Vivitar. It was showing 85% after 3 weeks, and it lasted only about 1 hour 40 minutes and 44 seconds. And for about half of the time it was showing no battery, where it was flashing the yellow battery that it was gonna turn off any minute. I was surprised that it lasted that long anyways. So here's the end of the test. I definitely recommend that these charger from SmallRig with the batteries that they come, because they're very comparable with the Sony batteries. And thanks everyone for watching, and have a good one.